Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Sanibonani thandwa zami, and I would like us today to reflect on the book of Genesis chapter 45. Namhlanje ngiyafisa ukuba sibuke incwadi kaGenesis chapter 45 as we unpack what the Lord has in store for us today. Welcome to this morning live. Then if we start from verse 1. Then Joseph could not control himself before all those who stood by him. He cried, "Make everyone go out from me." So no one stayed with him when Joseph made himself known to his brothers. There are a few things that are important there for me engifisa ukuba siwabheke. The first one for me that is quite interesting. Then Joseph could not control himself before all those who stood by him. Khona lapho uJosepha wayengasakwazi ukuzibamba phambi kwabo bonke ababemi naye. Wakhala wathi phumani, wathi khiphani bonke abantu abalana. Kwase kuphuma abantu. It's the first thing I want to say. He couldn't control himself. There was so much going on in his life that he couldn't control himself. Wayesehluleka nanokuzibamba. And there are moments like that empilweni zethu la omunye umuntu ehluleka khona nanokuzibamba. Esefuna ukudila nesimo, omunye avedane adazuluke, omunye akhale, omunye abhuquze phansi. And sometimes the pain is just so much. The hurt is too much. Whatever one goes through, kuba nzima. Yabona ayikho into ebuhlungu than ukuba umuntu omdala ubhekane nezimo uthola ukuthi akekho omunye umuntu ongakusiza. Uthola ukuthi lezi zimo wena uqobo lwakho okumele ubhekane nazo. La urealize khona ukuthi kunama decisions ekumele uwathathe. Kuneyinqumo okumele uzenze. And you realize ukuthi whatever decision you make becomes very important because it could change your life. Whatever decision you make becomes very important because you either win or you lose. Yabona sisayingane kwakukulula ukuba umuntu ayoyidlalela nje imidlalo. Adlale amagenda, adlale ibhola, adlale intuma, uthola ukuthi uyidlalela umagalopha and uyaphuma mongasafuna ukudlala. Kwakuba lula ukuthi ayis time man bafethu mina sengikhathele, kwakulula futhi ukuthi hayi mina sengiye ekhaya, fanele ngiyokwenza ukuthi mubona ukuthi usuyahlulwa, mufuna ukuroba, ubaleke kube ngathi khona la othunywe khona. Na kunzima empilweni because empilweni awukwazi ucela isithayima. Kunzima empilweni ngoba empilweni awukwazi ukubaleka. Kunzima empilweni ngoba empilweni awukwazi ukuthi hayi mina bafethu ngisaye ekhaya, hayi mina bafethu ngithunyiwe. Khona ezinye izinto that you must just face and deal with them yourself. And the opening line for me that I want to deal with, he could not control himself. But he does something absolutely important. And the thing that he does, he clears the room. Uthi ngicela ningikhiphele bonke labantu abala. Abantu engifuna ukuhlala nabo manje ilaba abaphambi kwami engifuna ukukhuluma nabo. He clears the room and that's very important. And I often say, whenever I need to make an important decision, whenever you need to make an important decision, clear everything that may cloud your judgment. Clear anything that will compromise your decision. Clear anything that will compromise how you think, how you are to act. Ngoba kunezinye izinto, yes, in themselves zibalekile. Khona ezinye izinto esiyidingayo nesiyithandayo. Kodwa if I need to make important decisions, kumele ngiclearishe. Kumele ngiyisuse eduze kwami. Ngoba lezo zinto zibalulekile. Uyabona lento ifana nokuthi uma ngiya empini I cannot go to war and take my child with me. I cannot go to war and take my wife with me unless she's going to come as a warrior, unless I'm going to take my child as a warrior. But most of us will feel betrayed, will feel compromised. If I go to war and I bring my husband, and unless he comes as a warrior, if he comes as a liability, either my child, my husband, my mother, my wife, my whoever, I cannot win that war, because every time every time I must provide for their protection. And so kwesinye isikhathi you realize ukuthi kunezimpi ekumele ngiye kuzona, and uma sengizilwa lezimpi kunabantu ekumele ngibashiye endleleni. Ingakho kwesinye isikhathi ukubona abantu abadala bethi sala lana ngiyabuya khonto engisayoyibheka. Uyobuya umuntu sekonakele, uyobuya umuntu ayidu segcwele igazi, uyobuya umuntu sekulunga, athi umuntu nona khonto efanele ngoyilungisa nje kancane, kodwa bengingadingi ukuthi uhambe nami ngoba bengifanele ngoyilungisa ngingedwa. There's a very interesting clip that I once saw. It's of an elephant. It's of a lion. It had its own. She had a cup with her, and all the hyenas were coming to attack the lioness and the cup. And so what the mother did was absolutely amazing. Umama wathatha iwundlu, the cup, wahamba wayoliqashisa emgodini thizeni, and she then turned back and she charged on all these hyenas, and she fought all of them, and they all disappeared and they ran away. Yes, she was bruised. Yes, she was scarred, but her child was not moved, not touched, not harmed. And so kwesinye isikhathi thandwa zami kunesigaba empilweni esisiphoqayo ukuthi I clear the room if I need to engage on something important. Kunabantu ekumele ngibasuse, kunezinto ekumele ngizisuse. Having said that, there's also something absolutely important. Obani abantu abayi-support structure sakho. Obani abantu okwazi ukuncika kubona. And normally there shouldn't be a large group. Normally there shouldn't be abantu abaningi. But you only need them. There must be a handful. Kodwa ba abantu owaziyo ukuthi osibanibani ngiyabathemba, osibanibani ngingancika kubona, osibanibani are willing and ready to go to war for me, with me, against whatever seems to threaten my life. Hlobo lunike labantu onalo wena ongathi musuklelishe iroom wazi ukuthi kodwa osibanibani ngiyabadinga, osibanibani bayinto engiyiswelayo empilweni yami. Then there's also something else that is important to me. He says, make everyone go out from me. So no one stayed with him when Joseph made himself known to his own brothers. Khona izinto ofuna ukuzikhuluma kodwa not phambi kwabanye abantu. Balekile leyo nto. Khona izinto okumele ukwazi ukukhuluma ngazo kodwa not necessarily phambi kwabanye abantu. There are certain truths that one must tell, but he must be careful ukuthi who is listening to those truths. Khona izinto ezibalekile ongakhuluma ngazo, khona izinto ezibalekile that you may share, khona izinto ezibalekile ongabhodla ngazo, kodwa qaphela ukhuluma kuhlobo olunjani labantu. Thandwa zami, abantu abaningi balimele emhlabeni, balinyazwe abantu abayekubona bekhala, bleeding, asking for help, asking for support. Kanti ukhala kumuntu wrong, kanti ukhala kumuntu ngelinye ilanga who will use that against you. Khona abanye abantu ithandwa zami who are so ruthless. Khona abanye abantu who want you at your worst. ozoba everything kuwena when you are down, ozokusupporta, ozoba nawe, ozohlala nawe, only to get in and get as much information, and only to say to themselves, now I have a leverage against uSibanibani. Labo bantu babona kanjani? Labo bantu babona ukuthi ukuthi bona sebecela izinto mhlambe awukwazi ukubenzela. Athi we kodwa wena Sibanibani, I was there for you when uhamba ukuthi nokuthi. Wena Sibanibani, I was there for you when ingane yakho ikuhlupha. Wena Sibanibani, I was there for you when unkosikazi wakho ekwenza ukuthi. I was there for you when umyeni wakho ekwenza ukuthi. And you realize ukuthi these people were only there to take note, so that when they need me, they will use this as a leverage against me. Angisho ukuthi asingakhali, kodwa ngithi mina lukhethe uhlobo lwabantu okhala kulona. Lukhethe uhlobo lwabantu abazi inyembezi zakho. Lukhethe uhlobo lwabantu okwazi to break down in front of them. Khona lonkosikazi ezwini likaNkulunkulu athi uGehazi noEliya mabekhuluma bebodwa bebuzana ukuthi ayibo ubani lo nogijimeza le, athi uGehazi ngathi ilonkosikazi ebekade sinaye. Ebesethi uEliya kuGehazi, awuhambi yombuzo ukuthi kwenze njani, konke kuhamba kahle yini na? Afika uGehazi athi, mama unjani umyeni wakho? Athi hayi uright. Unjani umntanakho? Athi konke kuhamba kahle. Now into engithinta kakhulu uthi konke kuhamba kahle, meanwhile umntwana useshonile. She knows ukuthi the child has died, kodwa she's not prepared to divulge that information kuGehazi. She is only willing to divulge such information kuEliya because uyazi ukuthi uGehazi is only a servant kaEliya, and yena ufuna ukukhuluma nomnikazi wezinto. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunohlobo labantu elizofika empilweni yakho wena uyitshela ukuthi wazi wangithanda uSibanibani, wena uyitshela ukuthi wazi wanginakekela uSibanibani, wena uyitshela ukuthi wazi wangifisela okuhle uSibanibani. Mina ngiyamthanda lo nkosikazi, and inabantu abazobuza ukuthi hey khamba kanjani mfethu, hey ngizwa ukuthi nokuthi uright nje, kodwa smile uhleke uthi konke kuhamba kahle. Abathi noma bekhuluma ngawe nabade bethunyiwe. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunento efuna singayikhohlwa. Kunabantu abazofika kuwena ngoba bathunyiwe. Kunabantu abazofika kuwena, uyabona uzothi ukhuluma nabantu ungazi wena kanti bayakurekhoda. Wena uzothi ukhuluma nabantu ungazi wena kanti labantu bathunywe abasunguli bezinto. So akuthi mabebuyele emuva bebuza abantu ukuthi utheni uSibanibani, uvudane wahleka loyana wathi hayi yonke into ihamba kahle. Yazi uSibanibani ayikho into asitshele yona, uvudane wayithulela njena, and so bagcina bengazi ukuthi ucabangani. Verse 2 is very important. And he wept aloud so that the Egyptians heard it, and the household of Pharaoh heard it. Wabubula, wakhala, ukuthi izwe lonke laseGibhithe lasizwa isililo sikaJosepha. There's something deep there. Isizwe sonke nomuzi kaFaro for the first time uzwa isililo sikaJosepha. Uyabubula, uyakhala. And that's when you realize ukuthi usebambe inhlungu zeminyaka. That's when you realize ukuthi usebambe izinyembezi zeminyaka. That's when you realize ukuthi kahle kahle kade alimala. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunabantu ababangani bethu abayihlobo zethu esazana nabo. Thina we think, thina we presume yonke into ihamba kahle. Simbona manje uSibanibani engasafuni lutho. Simbona manje uSibanibani esekhaliswa into encane. Simbona manje uSibanibani ese-react entweni. Bese wena because awazi, mina because angazi, bese ngithi hayi mfethu yini kodwa overreact kanjena, hayi mfethu yini kodwa uthathela izinto phezulu, hayi mfethu usungaze nje udinwe into encane kanje. Athi ukube bewazi. That's why they always say it is the last throw that broke the back. Ukube bewazi izinto that I had to go through. Ukube bewazi inhlamba engithukwa ngazo. Ukube ubuzazi izimpi engizilwayo. Ukube uyalazi iqiniso engibhekene nalo. Ngaba uyisho lento oyishoyo. And it's when we come to realize, ithandwa zami, there's so much that people go through. And kwesinye isikhathi mhlambe siyayidinga lenkonzo yokumcela uNkulunkulu kuba Nkosi ngicela ungabi so judgmental. Nkosi ngiyacela unginike amandla yokuba ngingabi too quick ukunika ama-advice entweni engayazi. And futhi kwesinye isikhathi uma kunezinto azenzayo, kunama-actions enzakalayo, I may disagree with them, I may not understand them, but akona kwami ukumtshela ukuthi awazi wa wrong because angazi what lies underneath. Uyabona khona abanye abantu abangena ezibeni athi umuntu sasihle lesiziba saze sacweba lesiziba athi uthi ngithi kuyogeza ngithi kuyobhukuda athi ngena umuntu kube khona into emdonsayo because ubengazi ukuthi ecwebeni kwalesiziba kunento engaphansi engamlimaza. Ubengazi yena ukuthi ecwebeni kwalesiziba kunento engaphansi eyingozi. And so too nakwabanye abantu. Khona abanye abantu, khona eminye imishado, khona eminye imndeni, khona eminye imizi esithi masiyibuka thina ngehlo lobuntu siyitshela ukuthi yonke into ibihamba kahle. And only to when you come closer then you realize ukuthi no, she's been bleeding, he's been bleeding, and you realize ukuthi kuningi osekwenzekile bebengakhulumi ngakho. Mhlambe bebekhuluma kwabaziyo sesiza ukuthi awuthi usibanibani uyibulele, thi usibanibani uthathe imithwalo yakhe wahamba, thi usibanibani uqoqa abantwana wagoduka, thi usibanibani akabuyanga ekhaya. Bese ukuthi laba balaziyo iqiniso ukuthi bese kufanele, bese khathele, bese kufanele hayi khona ubekezelile. Ethanda lenkonzo elithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wabubula iGibhithe lonke lasizwa isililo sakhe. Wabubula nomuzi kaFaro imbala wasizwa isililo sakhe. Khona inkonzo uNkulunkulu ayivusile empilweni yami. Inkonzo yokubika indaba yakho kuNkulunkulu. Inkonzo yesililo. Athi obhala kahle kuPawuli athi ngifuneleni amakhosikazi. Rather not uPawuli, uJeremia athi ngifuneleli amakhosikazi esililo. Athi ngifuneleni amakhosikazi azokhala. Athi uJehova athi hleze ngizozwa ngisezulwini. Athi umpostoli Pawuli athi baphi onkalo zabo ziboshiwe. Athi onkophe zabo zigcwele inyembezi. Bapho omama besililo. Apha amantombazane esililo. Ziphi insizwa ezimokhalweni maqedana uJehova nezulu lakhe lilalele. Athi obhala kahle encwadini kaExodus athi bheka inyembezi zakho ifikile kumina. Athi isililo sakho sengizwile. Yabona besibaswela omama bomkhuleko. Besiswela intombi onkalo zabo ziboshiwe. Besiswela insizwa ekwazi ukuma izulu lalele. Besibaswela abantu abakwazi ukukhala uJehova athi ngezwe isililo kulo yamuzi sekwenze njani. Hayi thandwa zami siyiswela inkonzo yabantu abakwazi ukumemeza maqedana amazulu alalele. Siyiswela inkonzo yabantu abakwazi ukumemeza maqedane izulu liphendule. Siyiswela inkonzo yabantu onkophe zabo zigcwele inyembezi. Siyabaswela labo bantu empilweni zethu abakwazi ukwenza izinto, abakwazi ukukhuluma izinto maqedana uNkulunkulu athi sengifikile. namhlanje thandwa zami sibuka incwadi kaGenesis chapter 45 verse 3. And Joseph said to his brothers, I am Joseph. Is my father still alive? But his brothers could not answer him, for they were dismayed at his presence. Joseph wenza into ebuhlungu emangazayo. Joseph, I am Joseph. Joseph, I am Joseph, your brother. Is my father still alive? Yimini Joseph. Usaphila nobaba wami. Uyabona asiyazi iminyaka aseyihlalile eGibhithe. Asazi isikhathi esingakanani esikwaziyo ukuthi more than 7 years basing it ephusheni ake abanalo. More than 7 years basing it ephusheni ake abanalo. And kodwa khona into eyodwa ayishoyo engiyithandayo, khona into eyodwa ayishoyo engibusisayo. Uthi usaphila nobaba. Usakhona nobaba ekhaya. Ekubuhlungu ukukhumbula umndeni wakho ungasakwazi ukuya kuwona. Kubuhlungu ukukhumbula abantu bakini ungasakwazi ukubavakashela. Kubuhlungu ukukhumbula ikini kodwa usakwazi ukuya kulona. La ufisa khona ukuthi yazi bengifisa ukuya ekhaya. Yazi bengifisa ukuvakasha ngiyobona uma kodwa ngikwazi. Thandwa zami, ibhlungu lento yokuzalwa namabhokolo. Ibhlungu lento yokuzalwa neziqhwaga. Ibhlungu lento yokuzalwa nabantu abangasakufuni ekhaya. Ngenhliziyo yakho yonke yafisa ukubuya, kodwa wena waxoshisa okwenja. Ngenhliziyo yakho yonke uyafisa ukuyobona uma wakho, kodwa ukwazi. Uyafisa ukuyobona ubaba wakho, kodwa ukwazi. Uyafisa ukuyobona izingane zakwenu, kodwa ukwazi. Thola ukuthi omunye selokhu agcina ekhaya eyongcwaba abazali bakhe. Akakwazi manje ukubuyela ekhaya because lona wasala ekhaya kwathiwa akaligade usenqoqhene ekhaya. Lona kwathiwa akasala ekhaya aligade uselenze ekhaya umuzi wakhe. Ayikho into ebuhlungu yokuxoshwa ekhaya ngabantu engabe nabo bayadedela ungene ekhaya. Uwodwa umbuzo obuzwa uJosepha, ngazi usaphila nobaba. Ngazi usakhonani ubaba wami. Akakabuzi ukuthi usaphilani umfowethu omncane. Akakabuzi ukuthi umfowethu omncane yena usengakanani. Akakabuzi ukuthi engakushiya ekhaya kusakhona yini. Thandwa zami, ayikho into ebuhlungu yokuba umhambuma kodwa ikhaya unalo. Ayikho into ebuhlungu yokukhulisa abantwana bakho emgaqweni kodwa ikhaya unalo. Ayikho into ebuhlungu njengokudlelwa izinto zakho usaphila. Ayikho into ebuhlungu then ukuzwana namaqola antshontshela zonke izinto zakho. Kodwa uyangithinta ku verse 4. So Joseph said to his brothers again, come near to me. And they came near, and he said to them, I am your brother. I am Joseph, your brother. So Joseph said to his brothers, come near to me, please. And they came near to him, and he said to them, I am your brother Joseph, whom you sold into Egypt. Yimina uJoseph umfowenu enathengisa ngaye eGibhithe. Senikhohliwe yini? Yimina uJosepha umfowenu enathengisa ngaye eGibhithe. Yimina uJosepha umfowenu enamphonsa emgodini nimbulala. Imina uJosepha umfowenu enathatha ingubo yakhe nayifaka igazi nayo ikhombisa ubaba nathi sengifile. Imina uJosepha umfowenu enanifuna ukumbulalisa okwenja. Eyithandwa zami, hlungu le ndaba. Kunabantu abangakufuni. Kunabantu abakushiya umndondo beyitshela ukuthi sewufile. Kunabantu ababhale izinto ngawe. Kunabantu abangene kuma boardrooms ngawe. Kunabantu abakhulume ngabaphathi ngawe. Kunabantu abenze izinto bethi this is the last nail on the coffin. Ngokwabo bebeyitshela ukuthi bayaqeda ngawe. Ngokwabo bebeyitshela ukuthi bayadestroya. Ngokwabo bebeyitshela ukuthi sebeqedile, they've closed the chapter. Yabona khona omunye umuntu othi menza into angenzeli ukukufundisa isifundo, angenzeli ukudisciplina, angenzeli ukukukhuza, kodwa kubulale. Khona omunye umuntu okubulala uphila. Khona omunye umuntu okubulala uzwa. Lowo muntu akakufuni. Yabona ngihlezi ngithi mina, yabona mase nengena umuntu andubule nje nonke endlini ngomusa kaNkulunkulu ningashoni. Kodwa phela amaphoyisa ayothi bekuyi attempted murder. Ayikho into ekuthiwa attempted murder ithandwa zami. Lo muntu befuna ukunibulala. Ukuthi nje ngomusa kaNkulunkulu nangebhadi lakhe anishonanga. Kodwa lowo muntu enhlizweni yakhe ubenibulala. Khona abantu abanjalo ethandwa zami. Ngeke umuntu ahambe ayokwenza into aziyo ukuthi izoshintsha impilo yakho forever. Azi ukuthi lento izobulala wena nomndeni wakho. Azi ukuthi lento izoguqula izimo zakho nezomndeni wakho nempilo yakho nomsebenzi wakho. Ebesethi bengikwenza nje just to give you a warning. It was not a warning. Umusa kaNkulunkulu ungisindisile. uJosefa uthi imina lo uJosefa enathengisa ngaye. Imina lona uJosefa enanitshela ukuthi seniqedile ngaye. Thandwa zami, ivelaphi le ndaba kaJosefa nabafowabo? Ivele egameni elilodwa, umona. Umona uyingozi. Umona isilwane esiyingozi ngendlela eyisimanga. Umona isilwane esidala ukuthi izingane zandawonye izondane. Umona isilwane esidala ukuthi izingane zandawonye zibulalane. Umona isilwane esidala ukuthi izingane zandawonye zingabe isangenelana. Yabona khona into ebuhlungu ngomona. Uthola ukuthi ngingaze ngixabanisa umndeni ngenxa yomona. Yabona khona omunye umuntu onenhliziyo embi, onomona ngendlela eyisimanga, ohleze efuna izinto zenzeke kuyena. Ohleze efuna izinto zenzelwe yena, ongadala ukuthi bonke abantu bangazwani, bangakhulumisani, bonke abantu banyanyane, bonke abantu baxabane ngenxa yakhe. Then you realize ukuthi uyingozi lo muntu. You realize ukuthi lowo muntu udalwe ngenye indlela. And noma kuthiwa umenzelani, noma kuthiwa yini oyenzayo, uyohlezi engasuthi, uyohlezi nomona. Bafowabo bakaJosefa baba nomona ngaye. Yabona ithandwa zami, babemzondela amaphupho. Bamzondela ukuthi uphupha amaphupho. Bamzondela ukuthi uNkulunkulu umvezela amandla. Bamvezela ukuthi uNkulunkulu unohlelo ngempilo yakhe. Kunenkonzo engifisa ukukhuluma ngayo. Mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi sishawa ukuthi sikhuluma kakhulu. Mhlawumbe kwesinye isikhathi sishawa ukuthi sikhuluma izinto zikaNkulunkulu nabantu thina ebesiyitshela ukuthi bayasithanda. Nabantu thina ebesiyitshela ukuthi singabathemba. Nabantu thina ebesiyitshela ukuthi bafuna siqhubekele phambili. Yabona kunabantu abathi mabesinokha besishaya umbuzo ukuthi hawu sibani bungasezingani kumina kodwa sihlale phansi sixoxe ngale nkulumo nje. Athi hayi mina ngahamba nje ngaya kumngani wakho, kanti mangikhuluma nomngani wakho kwawuyena ongi-advise umngani wakho ukuthi angihambe ngenza ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi, bese uthi hawu une-show aza kukhombisa ama-screenshots, une-show aza kuzwisa ama-recordings. Athi yes uSibonelo, and only to realize ukuthi lo mngani akhuluma ngawo hlezi eseduze kwakho, only to realize lo mngani akhuluma ngayo uyena ohlezi ekusupport, only to realize lo mngani akhuluma ngayo uyena obuyitshela wena ukuthi uyikona konke empilweni yakho. Thandwa zami, uJosefa bamzondela umona, uJosefa bambulalele umona. Kangithinta lo mfana methi mina uJosefa lona enamdayisayo, imini uJosefa lona enathengisa ngaye, imini uJosefa lona enanitshela ukuthi seniqedile ngaye. Verse 5, and now do not be distressed or angry with yourselves because you sold me here, for God sent me before you to preserve your life. Uyangithinta lo mfana, because ubuza umbuzo usho into engithintayo. Uthi ningadinwa, ningadikibali, ningaphatheki kabi, ngoba uNkulunkulu wasebenzisa umona wenu owenza waba yicebe elihle ngempilo yami nokusindisa nina. Kunento engifuna ukisho, and that's the word for today. Whatever you have been through has a purpose. Whatever you have been through has a purpose. Kuyo yonke into osudlule kuyona uNkulunkulu unenjongo enhle. Whatever you have been through has a purpose. Kukho konke osudlule kona uNkulunkulu unenjongo enhle. Whatever you have been through and whatever you are going through even right now has a purpose. uNkulunkulu unenjongo enhle. Whatever you've been through has a purpose. Whatever you've been through has a purpose. Kukona konke odlule kona uNkulunkulu unenhloso enhle. Whatever you have been through has a purpose. And I want you to write it down. I want you to reflect on it. It is a purpose. It is a word for today. Whatever you've been through has a purpose. Whatever you are going through, whatever is happening has a purpose. Noma yini osudlule kuyona, noma yini odlula kuyona, uNkulunkulu unenhloso enhle. Yes, kungakukhalisa. Yes, ngakuzondanisa nabantu. Yes, ngakwenza ukuthi izinto zakho zibe slow. Yes, ngenzeka izinto zakho ingenzeki. But whatever you have been through, whatever you are going through, whatever is going on right now in your life has a purpose. uNkulunkulu unenhloso enhle ngawo. Noma yini eyenzeka empilweni yakho. Uthi uJosepha namhlanje in verse 4, he says, in verse 5 rather, he says something absolutely important. He says, ningayizondi, ningakhali, futhi ningayiblame. uNkulunkulu kubone kukuhle ukuthi angibe la. Khona ngelinye ilanga ngokondla nina nabantu abenu. Hey thandwa zami, yabona ngike ngathi ngelinye ilanga sikhuleke ekseni ngathi itsha balilahlile abakhe liphenduka inhloko yegumbi. Ngathi wena uyitsha balilahlile abakhe namhlanje usuyinhloko yegumbi. Yabona ngifuna ukukukhumbuza, ngifuna ukukutshela, ngifuna ukubhale phansi in your journal ukuthi whatever you are going through has a purpose. Noma ngathi usudlile entweni enjani, yes ikukhalisile, yes ikubukanisile nabantu, yes abantu bakuhlekile bayibona ukuthi isilima, bajabula bahleka ngegama lakho, uNkulunkulu akaqedi ngawe. uNkulunkulu akaqedi ngawe. God has a purpose. Ngelinye ilanga abantu bazohlala bakubuke and they're going to go back to this moment. They're going to go back to these experiences and they're going to say, kahle kahle, this is the seedbed. That's the word. Your experiences are a seedbed. You know, a seedbed, ila ubeka khona imbewu, utshala khona imbewu, maqeda niphenduke ibe yithombo. Ila utshala khona imbewu. Your experiences are nothing but a seedbed. And ineyithombo ezinhle. Beautiful seedlings are going to come out of this seedbed. So whatever you are going through, yes, cry if you must, wail if you must, scream if you must, but don't give up. Mina ngihlezi ngimbuka uNkulunkulu ngithi mina ngiyakubonga Nkosi ngaso zonke izinto engidlula kuzona. Bese ngiyahleka ngithi mina, hey, one day I will look back and I will say, yeah, konke kusuka la. Konke kwaqala la. Ngambona mina uNkulunkulu ezenza izinto. Maybe I don't understand ukuthi lento eyenzeka njengamanje is to what end. Maybe I understand ukuthi lokho sokwenzeka manje kuzongisiza ngani, kodwa one day I will go back and I will say, whatever I have been through, whatever has been happening in my life has a purpose. Kukona konke uNkulunkulu unenhloso enhle ngempilo yami. Joseph ngayizoned, and ithandwaza me, that's something I want us to talk about. Singabazonda abantu abasenza ubi. Angisho ukuthi sibathande, angisho ukuthi sibakhonze, angisho ukuthi baba bangani bethu, kodwa ngithi ungabazondi. Don't waste your time hating. Ungavumi. It may have thrown you back. It may have stolen your time. It may have stolen your friends and family. It may have stolen your good name. But ungazondi. Because muzonda, how are you anyway better than them? Muzonda, that means you're not going to see the glory of God. Buku uNkulunkulu evusa amandla kuJosepha. uJosepha has been through a lot. Walahlwa abafowabo befuna ukumbulala. Wathe ngena emzini waseGibhithe, wahlala emzini kaPotifa. Nkosikazi kaPotifa accused him of rape. Wayetilongweni engenzanga lutho, wahlala iminyaka engenzanga lutho. Kodwa namhlanje uhleli namakhosi. Yabona ithandwa zami, siqoqa ubufakazi ngezinto ezenzeka kuthina. Ngelinye ilanga siyobhala incwadi eyofundwa abantu. Ngelinye ilanga abantu bobuka impilo zethu bamdumisa uNkulunkulu. Ngelinye ilanga izizukulwane zethu zothi thina sazizalwa zintombi. Ngelinye ilanga izizukulwane zethu zothi thina sazizalwa zinsizwa. Ngelinye ilanga izizukulwane zethu zothi mayixoxa zithi mina emzini wakwethu kwakhona umuntu wayenje. Whatever you have been through, God has a purpose. Noma ngathiwa yini esiyenzekile empilweni yakho, khona leli cebe elihle uNkulunkulu analo. Uthi uJoseph ningayizondi, ningayishayi, ningayibulali. Ngoba uNkulunkulu wayehlelela nina. Bukani manje sengikephi? Bukani manje sengiyinani? Yamazi umuntu owekuhlukumeza usemncane, uthi uyafunda, athi umosha amakhandlela ami, uthi uyafunda, athi umosha ugesi wami, uthi uyafunda, athi umosha uparafin wami, uhambe uyoncika ngesigxobo sikagesi emnyango, ufunde oma ukuthi kumnyama vele wawufunde mina nabo bonke abantu. Uthi ufuna ukufunda wena, ufaka umsebenzi, unika umsebenzi, kuthi intandokazi zakhe zona inikeze kuthiwa ayifunde. Uyazi wena wayiphila impilo ungakazi uthengelwe into ezintsha umncane, kodwa wawunikezwa zonke izinto ezisale kulabo abanye engasabalingani. Wena wawuhlanganisela izinto ezalabo abanye abantu ezindala, uthungelo zona. Bona babe nakho konke ukuthi wena you've never had anything new. Bheka ukuthi ukephi manje. Babuza ukuthi baphi laba babespoilwa. Babuza ukuthi baphi laba ababe nakho konke. Engani wena wawuyintandane ungenamuntu. Engani wena wawusaliwakazi. Engani wena wawunganikwa lutho. Engani wena wawudatshukelwa. Engani wena wawubukwa njengesilima. Yabona ithandwa zami masithi uthatha osemnyanga mphose emsama, thatha osemsama mlaxaza emnyango. Sikhuluma ngezinto uNkulunkulu azenzayo. Namhlanje bonke beza kuwena. Namhlanje bonke bazocela kuwena. Namhlanje bonke abanamakhaya kodwa bonke bahlala emzini wakho. Namhlanje bonke badinga wena. Kodwa ungelutho. Thandwa zami, whatever you have been through has a purpose. Ungazondi. Mubonga uNkulunkulu nangenyembezi. Mubonga uNkulunkulu nangenyembezi nangemvimbo. Thanda Nkosi, uma kukuhle kwena nalokho ngizokwamukela. Uma kukuhle kwena nalokho ngizokuthatha. Izwa ngithinta ngalo uJosepha athi, for the famine has been in the land these 2 years, and there are yet 5 years which they are still neither plowing nor harvesting. And God sent me here before you to preserve you a remnant on earth and to keep alive you to be surviving with many survivors. Ninena nikwenza nanithi nihlukumeza mina, kanti niyangiweza ukuthi ngisindise nina nezwe lonke. Khona izinto abazozenza kuwena bayitshela ukuthi baqedile ngawe. Khona izinto abazozenza kuwena bayitshela ukuthi sebenqobile. Kanti lutho bazokuweza, bazokukhweza. Kuningi uNkulunkulu azokwenza. Yabona mangithi icebo likaNkulunkulu lingeshintshwe. I mean it. Khona ezinye izinto abantu abazoyitshela ukuthi bane control, bane power over you. Bayitshela ukuthi ba exercise authority ne power ngawe. Only to realize ukuthi uNkulunkulu kunento azoyenza. Yabona nginomngani wami mina, she was a teacher. Kulesi sikole lesayifundisa kusona. But the treatment was terrible. The treatment was terrible. Ngengisisho igama lesikole, but it's still terrible. Almost they were losing good men and good women. And ekhala njalo uNkulunkulu. Kodwa ngicela uNkulunkulu, Nkosi ngicela ungisize. And she was always on contract with many others. And they would always threaten them ukuthi if ningakwenza ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukuthi nikwe contract, if ningakwenza ukuthi ningakhohlwa ukuthi thina sanganxosha, and every day beba threatenisha ngezinto, until one day uNkulunkulu wazambula kuyena, wathola post at a university, a private university. She was a teacher. Now she is in charge, not of a department, but she is in charge of more than a department, of all the lecturers in that department. Yabona makuthiwa uNkulunkulu uyaphakamisana. uNkulunkulu wamsusa kuleya level, wamfaka kwi-level that she had never thought she will ever reach. Yena, she only said, maybe mangiphuma la ngizoba i-lecturer laphana. No, wathi uNkulunkulu angifuna ube i-lecturer wena. Ngifuna uphatha ama-lecturer. Ngifuna uphatha i-department. Ngifuna kube wena o-shape le institution. She is pioneering izinto kuleya institution because of her experiences. And yet la ivela khona, she was treated njengento engelutho. Yabona ithandwa zami, bayekeni banigibela amakhanda. Bayekeni bazenzela umathanda. Kodwa iyodwa into engifuna ukisho kuwena, icebo likaNkulunkulu ngawe akekho uyolishintsha. Ngegama likaYise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. Amen.